Hello, I am Jamie Mancuso, President of Coldwell Banker Hearthside Realtors. You may have heard recently that home has a new value, something not measured by dollars and cents, rather something that is a bit deeper. But finding home is still serious business. As the housing market continues to evolve, fighting through the noise and understanding the changes is what makes coming home even more rewarding. That is why I am so proud of Dee Dee Bowman of the Coldwell Banker Hearthside Realtors office in Lahaska, Pennsylvania. Dee Dee's willingness to work for you has earned her Coldwell Banker's International Sterling Society Award, as well as Coldwell Banker Hearthside's Diamond Club Award. Given to just a small percentage of agents worldwide, this shows Dee Dee's commitment to the business of helping you. When you are ready to redefine your home's value, be sure to contact Dee Dee Bowman and let her explain the value that comes from working with Coldwell Banker.